Our next Mars rover is on its way, preparing for the historic return of a commercial crew mission and naming the crew for a future mission. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA.
And liftoff. As the countdown to Mars continues, the perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
On July 30th, our Mars 2020 Perseverance rover launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. Perseverance will be our first Mars rover to collect samples from another planet for future return to Earth, which makes this mission groundbreaking in more ways than one.
The samples from Mars have potential of profound change of our understanding in the origin, evolution, and distribution of life on Earth and elsewhere in the solar system.
The rover will land in a region of Mars that provides an excellent opportunity to find signs of past microbial life, a primary goal of the mission. It will also collect important data about the planet's geology and climate and carry a host of technology, including the first ever experimental helicopter on Mars.
We as human beings have never flown a rotorcraft outside of our own Earth's atmosphere, so this will actually be very much a Wright brothers moment.
Other instruments, materials, and technologies making the trip will pave the way for future human missions to Mars, our ultimate goal and next logical step after sending the first woman and next man to the moon in 2024 as part of our Artemis program.
It can't be lost on people at how unique of an opportunity this is. If you're in elementary school today, you may be in college when we make an amazing discovery that would transform how we talk about history and science.
Astronauts Doug Hurley, Bob Behnken, and Chris Cassidy held a news conference from the International Space Station on July 31st in advance of Hurley and Behnken's scheduled undocking from the station and return to Earth.
It was just an incredible experience and one that I will absolutely never forget and I'll always cherish.
The historic NASA SpaceX Demo-2 test flight is the first crewed spaceflight with NASA astronauts on a privately owned spacecraft. NASA astronauts Shane Kimbrough and Megan MacArthur will be joined by Japan's Akihiko Hoshide and European Space Agency astronaut Thomas Pesquet on Crew 2, the second operational SpaceX Crew Dragon flight to the International Space Station. The mission is currently targeted for launch in spring 2021. NASA satellite data showed around 8 inches of rain in parts of southern Texas and northeastern Mexico from Hanna, the first Atlantic hurricane of the season. Hanna made landfall in southern Texas as a Category 1 storm before eventually weakening and continuing into Mexico. Our Hubble Space Telescope has looked back billions of years in time to help fundamentally change what we know about the universe. The latest episode of our Hubble Eye in the Sky video series, titled Time Machines, examines how Hubble will work with the James Webb Space Telescope to revolutionize our understanding of the universe even further. You can find the video series and other Hubble material at nasa.gov/Hubble. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/Twan.